Okay everybody, today is another simple, quick and easy recipe. Pretty much pork fillet steaks in XO sauce with pan fried zucchini rounds. So let's get started. Now you can cut that. Okay, now as you've probably noticed a few times already, I like to fry in the wok, just saves you from splatter going everywhere. And that's for the zucchinis. So, just a little bit of rice bran oil. That's all we need. And a little bit of olive oil for the zucchinis. And I'll just let them heat up. Now you can cut that. Okay, so we'll start off with the zucchinis. We'll just pop them in the pan. Must have the fan on. With these, just a sprinkle of salt, a little bit of black pepper. That's it. They're straight from the garden too, actually, so flavour wise, not going to need anything else, just on their own. Beautiful. Now, our steaks are ready. So let's put them in. As you can see, they're already browning up, beautiful. They won't take long. Simple, quick, and relatively cheap. Now as you can see with our steaks there, we don't even need any salt or pepper because the XO sauce has done a good job for us. Alright. Okay, now zucchinis are going okay. Steaks are nearly done. We don't want to cook them all the way through. Plus, it is fillet steak, so and who eats well done steaks? Anyway, now approximately a good tablespoon of the XO sauce. We just pop that in like that. And just mix that around a little bit. And we'll just add a little bit of water because that is thick as. Oh, the smell is unbelievable. So that's our XO sauce done. Just let that cook a little bit more and we're on the go. Zucchini's browning up very nice. Alright, now we've let that sauce reduce a little bit. The steaks are cooked perfect, the zucchinis are cooked perfect. All done. Now, simple. Time to dish up. Okay, it's time to dish up. Let's get these steak on the plate. Now, as you can hear again, my lovely dog in the background. Now we'll just grab some of this lovely XO sauce to put on top. And there you have it, pork fillet steak with XO sauce and pan fried zucchini.